Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to do a small modification to the Camaro. Okay, so last year I got a new set of wheels for the car, and so this year I decided to get two more for the drag radials because the original factory ones are chrome and they won't hold air anymore. Okay, so I bought two more for the drag radials, and just a minor upgrade I want to do to the car is SS emblems for the wheel centers. I got these from Hawks Motorsports. Okay, so I already got them on the car, and I'll show you that here in a minute. First, we're going to apply one to this spare wheel. So we'll start by just taking some alcohol and just cleaning the wheel center. Next, I like to warm it up just a little bit before I try to apply the vinyl. Okay, so next we'll try to center it here. Now probably the best thing to do would be to have some painter's tape, and once you got it to where you want it, tape it on, lift it up, and then peel the back. But I've just been eyeballing it here. I got them all on the car and they look good to me. So anyway, you just peel the back. Try to center it up here the best I can. And we'll just apply pressure here. Okay, next I'll apply a little more heat, not a lot, just warm it up. Okay, once you get it going, I've found it's best to go right straight, just go slow. Okay, I'll just apply a little more heat. Okay, so I got them all applied. I bought 8, I got 2 left. Okay, so I'll show you the wheels on the car here in just a sec. Just keep in mind the car is real dirty. It's been sitting here all winter and I'd never even got a chance to wash it before I put it away last fall, so the car's quite dirty. Anyway guys, pretty minor upgrade, but it's something that I wanted to do, and I got these from Hawks Motorsports. They got them in orange and black. I'm not sure if they have red or not. And anyway, I got a few more upgrades for the Camaro that'll be coming up in the next few weeks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.